Hey, welcome back. We're going to do a little short video here. This cork handle, we're fixing to cover it up. I'm going to show y'all what I do to cover it up. It's a real simple fix. Some people like it, some people don't. We're going to take it to about right there. This is a heat shrink that you get from Amazon. Yeah, I get a lot of my stuff from Amazon. What I like to do with this heat shrink, it's really good stuff, and it works real fast, but I like to cut it hot. It seems to work better for me when I cut it hot. But what we're going to do is we're going to put this heat shrink on the butt of this rod here. As soon as I get my knife hot enough to cut it, I just heat up my knife. And once I get my knife nice and hot, I've already got it marked. I'll come right down here and cut as straight as I can cut. Once I got that cut, I'm gonna turn my fire off here. Get my heat shrink open. Put this up on the handle where I want to put it. About right there. And I get my heat gun. I turn my heat gun on. Here's my heat gun. Turn my heat gun on. Once that heat gun's warm up, start shrinking it. Can't go wrong with this heat shrink. You can buy it by the roll from Amazon, and what I like about it is if you get it dirty and you get blood and guts all over it, you can take a wet sponge and soap and wipe it off. Then it'll look brand new. And I'll just heat that thing on there. Should have took the reel off. The man just brought the rod over and wanted heat shrink put on his butt. That sounded bad, didn't it? Heat shrink put on his butt? Oh, wanted heat shrink put on his rod handle. Y'all know what I mean. And I'll make sure I get that thing straight when you put it on there. And man, I really like this stuff. This stuff is really good. Once I get it straight, that dadgum rod got a sinker on the end of it. So now we're gonna go ahead and shrink it on down. Get it put on this rod. Well, this is great stuff, man. It's really good stuff. It's really cheap too when you get it from Amazon. And there you go. You got a brand new grip on your rod. Turn that heat gun off. And there you go. You got a brand new grip. A little warm. Hey, thank y'all for tuning in. I appreciate it. We'll see you on the next one.